Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. We are at the 11th of February, as you can see, and we're looking at the euro, Great Britain pound with some bearish eyes in the light of the inflation report that is going to come in the next days, and let's say more bullishness on the Great Britain pound US dollar when compared with the euro dollar. Therefore, the euro Great Britain pound should move to the downside. Now the structure that you see here on the euro Great Britain pound, this is a 1 hour chart, but the structure in terms of value at waves, if you look at the lows here and the highs here, it doesn't look bullish at all. It doesn't look at it as an impulsive move. It looks at a corrective move, and it looks a bit tricky. What does tricky means? It means that you might be confused into thinking that this is a contracting triangle as a whole. Well, it is a contracting triangle, but not this one here, as most likely the B to D trend line, or the A to C trend line, actually to be this one here. Let me make it a bit bigger and of a different color, not really that color, but this one here, like this. And if you clone this one and project it here on the right side like this, you are seeing that basically after price broke this triangle to the upside, it is retesting the trend line only to validate the contracting triangle. That means that our contracting triangle most likely started from here, or actually from here, in order for this to be a flat, and therefore the contracting triangle might be this one here. Excellent. So we have a contracting triangle here. Then what should be the outcome and what should be the result based on this analysis? Well, it does look like a complex corrective wave, and this complex corrective wave has the key with this move here. Normally, from this moment on, this is a complex correction. I would say that this comes in the form of a flat A, B, and the C wave to the downside in the form of a flat, then possible an X wave, and then another flat to the downside here to complete the pattern. Or it may just be an impulsive move, yes, an impulsive move, with a third wave to be completed, here, then to have an A, B, C, X, and then another correction there. It might very well be. What I'm trying to say is that the move that goes from this moment on to the upside looks like, yes, you might probably know the answer, looks like a rising wedge first of all, even though it doesn't look like one, but it looks and it feels like a rising wedge first of all, like this, that just has been broken lower, and most importantly it looks like a first wave extension. It means the first wave here, the second, the first, like this. So from the lows, the first wave, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth, and therefore price moving. Now if this is a terminal impulsive move with a first wave extension, it means that the prior move here will be a third and the fourth and the fifth, and the minimum distance to travel for this area or for price would be the congestion area of the previous low on the fourth wave and the previous low in the sub wave to come, and this would be the target for the lows, 82.70, 82.50, and now we price it is into 82.90. It might be that this move here to be only a C wave out of a lower degree, and then price to even go and break these lows here. Definitely not a place to be long, definitely not a place to look for call options, but a place to look for put options. So what to do next? Well, the logical thing to do is only to buy put options, and this is what we're going to do here on FairBinaryOptions.com. We are buying put options with end of week expiration date, so search for a broker that offers that kind of expiration date, and we like to avoid volatility to come into the inflation ladder out of UK, in the Draghi speech out of Europe, and of course into the flows in Friday and Thursday. And our recommendation here again goes like this: buying put options with end of week, basically this Friday at 21 GMT expiration date. Thank you very much for being here. As always and as usual, all these recommendations and trace analysis are possible due to the help of our official sponsor here, Lionite. So make sure you check lionite.com. Bye bye.